fraction. Simplification in fraction. For instance, let's pick this as an example. 2 over 5 multiplied by 15 over 16. In a situation like this, if we are to solve this, all you need to do is to look at the four numbers. Look at the four numbers and check out for which one can cut out which. If you look at this, you will see that 2, you can use 2 to divide 16 in 4 places. Now go ahead to do that. 2 we cut out to make 1 here. 2 we cut this to make 8. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now look at 5 here. 5 as well can cut 1 and cut this one to 3. So if you look at this now, 1 times 3, this will now be 1 times 3 over 1 times 8 equals to 3 over 8. Since this is the barest minimum that you can divide this number, you leave it this way. So this is the answer. 2 divided by 5 multiplied by 15 divided by 16 will be simplified to 3 over 8. Now let's pick another one for clarity's sake. 5 over 7 multiplied by 21. 5 over 7 multiplied by 21 over 25. Now looking at this, how do we handle this? I've told you all you need to do is to look for numbers that can cut themselves out. As we know, 5 can cut this into 1. 5, we cut this 25 into 5 plates. The same thing, 7, this is 7. 7 can divide 21 to 3 plates. 3 places. Now, if you look at this now, this will be 1 multiplied by 3 over 1 multiplied by 5. Since 25 have been divided by 5 to 5. So this will now be 3 over 5. I hope you are learning. Now let's pick another one. Let's pick another one. 6 over 7 multiplied by 21 over 54. Let's just pick this at random and see what our answer is going to look like. 7 can divide 21. So you allow 7 to cut out 21. 3. Then 6 as well can divide 54. If 6 cut 54, this will be 1. This will cut 54 into 9 places. So as it is now, this will be 1 multiplied by 3 over 1 multiplied by 9. And this will be 3 over 9. If you look at 3 over 9, you can see that we can still divide it to the lowest ratio. So 1 can divide 9 to 3 times. So this will now make 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Now let's in a bit graduate. Let's do 1 raised whole number 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 whole number 1 over 3. If we want to do this, you can see these numbers are in mixed form. Mixed number. You need to first turn them to a proper fraction. And if you want to turn this, it will be 2 multiplied by this 1. 2 times 1 will be 2 plus this one here. This will be 3. So you will change it to 3 over 2. Also, 2 times 3. This is 6 multiplied by 1. No, 2 times 3, 6 plus 1. plus 1 that is up here. This will now be 7/3. Okay, so now we can now simplify this fraction. If you want to simplify, you can see 3 can cut this away and cut this one in 1 times 2. 2 cannot completely divide 7. So you will just bring it back. 1 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So your answer will be 7/2. 7/2. You know that you can't divide them again. The only thing is you can still change it to mixed number. So 7/2 will still be 3 whole number 1/2. So you can leave your answer this way, whichever one. And if you leave it this way, you are still okay. Now let's do this. Let's do this. 1/2 plus 1/3 multiply by 3/4. You can see that this is different from what we have been doing from the beginning. Anytime you see this, you have addition here. This is addition and this is multiplication. You have to follow a law. We call it board math. Board math. When you follow BODMAS rule tells us that we have to first undo multiplication before undoing the addition. If that be the case, that means you will need to do 1/2 plus 1/3 multiplied by 3/4. You first undo this. You need to first do this one before you proceed to addition. So 1/3 multiplied by 3/4 will be what? This one will cancel this one. This one will cancel this one. So the answer here will be 1/4. Now you go ahead. You go ahead to do 1/2 plus your answer. What's your answer? 1/4. So 1/2 plus 1/4 will now be what? The way I've taught you how to do addition in fraction. All you need to do is to get the lowest common factor here, and this will be 4. The lowest common factor here will be 4. How many 4 can we see in 2? We can see 2. How many 2? Pardon. How many 2 can we see in 4? We see 2. 2 multiplied by 1 here. This will be 2. How many 4 can we see in 4? We see 1. 1 multiplied by 1. That will be 1. And 2 plus 1 here will be 3/4. So this is the answer to this. The answer here will now be 3/4. Now let me give you this one to do. This will be an assignment. Do it and send your results. Send your answer across to me. 1/3 plus 1/4 multiplied by 12/4. What will your answer be? Send it across to me. I hope by this you have been able to learn how to do simplification in fraction. Send your answer for this assignment across to me and I will be glad to have them. Thank you.